my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today, I am preparing for my husband tuna fish rolls. If you want to see how I achieve these, then let's do it. I must say hello to my subscribers right here. To you who are always coming back, you are my MVP. And to my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you. Oh my viewers, you're watching, you are out there, but you haven't subscribed us yet. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all, so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. This one is for another beautiful sister of mine by way of YouTube, Joy Arrow. Joy, this is for you today, family and friends. Go over to her channel today and be a blessing. Subscribe. I love you, Joy. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't already done so. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.